Hi, crafty friends. Carrie here with an update on my crafting area progress. So let me try to step back where I might be able to do this. This is my table as it is now. I've done a lot of work. And that right there, that's a tripod I got for my iPad. I think that will give me a good overhead shot for when I'm crafting on my crafting mat. We'll see. But then what I have is I have my micron pens that I use a lot, then my gel pens, my scissors that I use, and then next is my alcohol, my Tombow, a little cup of assorted brushes and stuff. That's a container that still needs to be sorted, but it is tools. Then as we pan over, I have my Martha Stewart cutting board and my scoreboard, my spell binders, my good Fisker rotary cutter, and then a container with my punch boards in them. Now, I'm going to be honest, this is not really quite as much work as it looks like, because what I actually did was I moved the stuff from this table to someplace else. I came over here and set up the table I take with me when I'm doing craft fairs and moved my junk. So the reason I did this, though, was to be able to get my other table clear. There's a nice shot of it. And also gives me a space that I can actually sort some of my things. So anyway, still have a lot of work to do, as you can see. Give you a pan around the room. You can still see there's a lot of stuff I still have to do. But I did get my packing, shipping, label printing area cleared out. Now I have my table. So I'll keep working on it and keep you posted. Thank you and have a great day. Oh, by the way, quick announcement. My sister, Christy, and I are going to be doing some crafting hops soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. That way you'll get notified when we do it, because we are going to have some prizes. And I'll link her channel below in the description to this box. Okay, everybody have a great Sunday. Thank you for watching.